So what's up guys and welcome back. Today we're going to do the Ratchet and Clank part 9. Okay, so Vitalia. So now we have to go to Pokitaru and help Grimm's brother. I don't know what's his name is. So now let's go meet up with Felton Raz, destroy the hydro harvesters, optional find a way to the top of the waterfall. Yeah, Pokitaru. Okay. So now we are going to Pokitaru and yeah, Pokitaru we reached. Okay, visit the card collection menu to see if you can trade in duplicates.
Home base to Alpha Team.
Alpha
The time
Team.
has come to give
Oh
our
my
little
God.
planet the finest water supply in the galaxy. Initiate the hydro harvesters and sap this planet dry. Copy that, Chairman.
No.
Team, activate all harvesters and deploy ground teams. If anyone
Oh my God.
those harvesters, ice them.
Poor fish. Hey, this is Grimm's brother. He's so identical. Ratchet and Clank, the heroes of the galaxy.
Pokitaru's water supply was in trouble.
Oh,
If Ratchet
Captain
and Clank
Hook.
failed to destroy Drek's hydro harvesters, this tropical paradise would become a desert wasteland.
Hey, over here.
Hey, 1 second. Let me see what all weapons I got. So, yeah. Now let's go over here.
Well, dip me in breadcrumbs and feed me to a snaggle beast. Grim told
Done.
me he was friends with the Lombacks, but I didn't believe him. I've never seen one in real life before. You must
Okay.
be Ratchet.
This is so weird. The resemblance. It's...
Uncanny, I know.
Grim asked us to help you destroy Drek's hydro harvesters.
If you're gonna destroy those things, we're gonna have to upgrade your ship.
Oh yeah.
Just so happens the best upgrade guy in the galaxy is here for a comic book convention, right? Follow me, I'll take you to him.
I'll take a tune.
The Puffoids have been coming ashore ever since the Blarg started attacking.
Oh,
Nasty
I
little
don't
devils,
like.
but tasty if you know how to cook them.
Nice!
It's a telepathopus.
Oh. Warmonger, here's your chance. 41, 21. Okay. I'll just use this one.
Hey, that was pretty good. Did my brother teach you to do that?
Hey, what's this?
Come on, my boat's this way.
Wait, there's something in the water. I can sense it. Come out.
Of course, Ratchet knew he'd have to circle.
Come on, my boat's this way.
There is something. Oh yeah. Oh my God. What's that?
We don't have a lot of time. Hop on before they send in more troops.
What's this? Maybe what's this? Maybe I am in. Wait. Oh, whoa! I knew that. There was something over there. I saw it. And the warmonger. Yeah. second, Felton. His name is Felton, I think. Yeah, that's what. Come on.
Ouch! That one hurts.
Oh my god, gold bolt. But still, I can't believe it, how I found it. I think he's over here somewhere. I'm not gonna be. Oh, no. Come on. Man, there are so many things that I have not even seen. This is such a beautiful planet. I want to go over here. It's so relaxing. Nice, sunny, and I'm going to kill that Drek. I don't know why does he like. It's Nefarious' problem. He's the one who turned Drek like that. Now where are you? Come on. You're over there.
All right, strap in. I'm just kidding. This thing doesn't have any
Hamper.
seatbelt.
These guys will hit me like a...
I actually had a lovely fishing trip planned before these hydro harvesters showed up and ruined everything.
Oh, how long was your trip?
Going on about 10 years now. The fishing was just starting to get good, too.
My trusty Omni wrench.
Let's keep moving. Oh, boy. More puffoids. You two can handle this, right? I'm more into fishing than fighting. You understand?
Yep. Understood.
I think you got them all. Come on.
1 second. Okay. So now we defeated these guys. Hey, wait, what's that? But I'm thinking today I have luck. I think I'm fighting everything.
Here comes some more.
Hey, you've got a lot of raritanium.
Wow, you look at that. Over there's the Torgoff waterfall. Grim and I used to trek to the top of that thing every holiday looking for gold bolts and such. Then one day he dared me to ride down on a barrel. I tell you, I've never seen our father so angry. Oh, those were the days.
Most of the time when an enemy hits me, you know what I do? I just fight them like that.
Great, more puffoids.
Your master is today going to be ended. Yeah! Pyro, it's your time.
I think you got them all. Come on.
Now where are we going? Hey!
So how's old Grim doing these days? I haven't heard much from him since we moved here from the Polaris Galaxy. He runs a garage, right?
Yeah, on Velden. It's small, but it's kind of cool. We do mostly hover conversions, proton scrubs, that sort of thing.
Whoops! Lomback's overboard! Come on back now! We have an ocean to save! My friend's not far from here. He'll be able to help you out.
Oh my god. That throw, you see, it's like a boomerang. I can do it with one hand only. I'm fighting these guys with one hand. Wow. Look at these. They're so beautiful.
Ah, great. The bridge is out. These Blarg are really starting to cramp my fishing trip.
Man.
Do me a favor and see if you can activate it from the other side.
Man, I'm having lots of luck today.
Try as he might, Ratchet could not breathe underwater.
Go ahead, hop across.
Move to the expertise.
Thanks. Come on, it's not too far now.
Oh, Blarg.
Oh boy, that's not good.
Huh.
Looks like the Blarg have reached the city.
Looks like the Puffboys are giving them a run for their money.
We won't be able to reach my friend until the ground troops are cleared out.
We're on it. Stay here and keep safe.
And you know, when I was here, these guys, I want to give up. The worst
I
of
think
them
that's
all.
the last of them.
Detecting another bridge control switch in the vicinity. We should activate it so
There's
Felton is
something
not
over
left
here,
behind.
I think. When I was in the sea, I saw something. Maybe in that side. Yeah, it was a car. I thought it was a rhino. The power of meat. That puff boy was a scary folk.
Come back! You forgot to activate the bridge controls.
Oh, sorry.
I'm coming. Sorry. I'm a little out of shape.
It's okay, don't it? What? Just now I saw that it was a coast clear. You want a piece of me? 1 second.
Look over there.
One second, I'll just.
Tiki Lounge and Karaoke Bar.
Yeah,
With any
1
luck,
second.
My engineer friend will be there.
Who's your friend?
The guys on my Hollow Game forum call him Big Al.
Oh, we know him.
Oh, we know him. We met him in Alero City. Nice dude. A little weird.
Yeah, that's Al. But he's the best upgrade guy in the business.
I wish I could see a Galvatron, you know, thing. Leave it to the expertise. Oh. One thing I don't like about these guys, they don't even like their own teammate.
Oh boy. Better find some nanotech.
Warmonger.
What's going on out there? I'm trying to sing my soul-stirring rendition of Lucky Orion. Ain't no one gonna love me. And you're ruining the moment.
Oh yeah! Now it's better and better. You won't even like hear sound of me.
Good work. Okay, let's get inside.
Hey!
Al! Can you open up?
The secret password.
Oh come on, man!
Come on, don't make me say it.
Well, your call. I have Lexi Orion's entire anthology here, and I can sing through it track by track.
Yeah, all right. All hail Big Al the Conqueror.
Go on.
All hail the Big Al
The glory of
Conqueror.
his level 20
26
spellcaster
star
burns
burns
brighter than the fourth
star of
Julius
Julius
Major.
Major. And
Hey, Ratchet Clank! Small Galaxy. How's my lady Cora doing?
Yeah,
She's
good.
good.
Listen, we're here to help take out these hydro harvesters. You think you could help us upgrade our onboard weapon system?
Always happy to help the Galactic Rangers. How about a Tesla Blast weapon kit? It uses polarized electro-emitters to increase propulsion by 128.7%.
wow,
Even a raritanium hull is no match for those babies.
I know.
Sounds like exactly what we need. You lead the way. We'll cover you.
Hey, hey, hey! I'm going in front of the ship. See this guy?
I'm starting to get real tired of these Blarg. You know they showed up just as I was about to speak on a panel about everything wrong with comic book-based holo films. All the great bloggers were on it. Me, Stuart Zergo, Obsidia Van Schmoot.
Van Schmoot was there? Really? Oh, I love her. She hates everything.
There isn't a holo
I'll just
film,
stay
game,
here.
or online product launch she hasn't shredded in the comment section. You know, that kind of judgment takes real skill.
We have reached our destination.
Hey, hey, hey!
That warmonger ain't gonna upgrade itself, you know.
No, I don't want that.
Here we are. All right, let's pop the hood and get you that weapon system. Reinstalling weapon software. Rebooting system. Done.
Tesla Blast weapon kit detected. Happy hunting.
Oh yeah! But in this Ratchet and Clank game, the artificial intelligence AI is so
What are you
cruel,
waiting for?
bad.
Take out those hydro harvesters.
Remember, normal ammunition won't damage those hydro harvesters.
Oh,
Use your Tesla rockets.
oh come on, like Battalion. I don't like ship fighting.
Blarg saucers. They'll drop ammo and health for you to pick up.
Boost job. I don't know. Oh my god.
I don't think we're doing much. We're almost out of Tesla rockets.
Ship repaired.
Oh boy.
Those saucers are about to attack.
Ammunition replenished.
3.
Tesla Blast rockets acquired.
Here I come.
Awesome shot!
Oh.
Warning. Warning. Warning.
We must use... Almost out of Tesla rockets. That's one hydro harvester down, 2 to go.
Chairman, one of the Galactic Rangers is on Poketaru. He's taking out our hydro harvesters. Now you listen to me. I want that water. Failure is not an option.
I know.
Destroy the Galactic Ranger, or I'll make sure the first person buried on our new planet is you! Yes, Chairman.
He's down.
Do a barrel roll.
Fine, these blocks also.
You got it.
Hey, what's that Reditarium?
Do a barrel roll. We should acquire more rockets from those Blarg saucers.
Ammunition replenished.
Woo!
You got it.
Ship repaired. Ship repaired.
Oh my god.
Your new test.
Right on!
Oh boy.
We must collect more Tesla rockets from those Blarg saucers. Enemy down. That's what they get for... Do a barrel roll.
Oh my god. Man, this is tense.
Almost out of Tesla rockets. We're almost out of Tesla rockets. I love it when things go boom.
Boom.
Ammunition replenished.
god.
To a barrel roll.
Ah.
That's all of them.
Yeah! You two saved the resort, and probably the entire planet.
All in a day's work.
Oh my god. Man. That was so cool, so terrifying, so awesome. I don't think that ship fighting will be there now.
That was incredible! Say, if you two need any more upgrades, I'm your guy. How about a new thruster pack? I just downloaded the holo plans last night and they are sweet.
Sweet.
That certainly sounds useful.
Recalibrating the avionics port, updating the software, updating, still updating, and presto! She's all ready for you. Technically, you need a Class B license to operate one of these beauties. But what the heck? You two are Galactic Rangers. It should help you access those pumping stations.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, guys. So now, oh my god, that's so cool. Clank. Hey, Clank looks, look cool in that. Whoa, super fast.
Security barrier disabled.
Disabled. Oh yeah.
Perhaps we can find our way into the pumping station now.
Pumping station. Okay. Now, let's go over there. Oh. There must be something. How many things have I seen? Clean up amoeboids in pumping station. I've destroyed everything. I did everything. Not destroyed everything. I did everything. Yeah, that's nice. Hey, what is this? Blarg pumping station. Blarg. Ugh.
Ugh. Oh, that smells terrible. It's like rotten amoeboid slime. I bet the Blarg are hiding some nice loot in here.
Oh my god, I see, because I knew that it was a bomb, but it didn't go.
You got a lot of raritanium. Come see me and let's do some upgrades.
Not now. Hiya! Hey, oh my god. I was not doing that. I was changing it to fire. Okay, fine now. This goes more faster than I thought and expected. Trespasser, the most thing. I'll do auto hack.
And that's how our heroes bypass the most confounding puzzle in the galaxy.
How can I reach over there? Let me try something. I think so. Like, even if we try, we can't go over there. But I have an idea. See, the water pumping station, we fill it up. There's no, fish. There's no more fish, no. So, yeah, that may work. Oh my god. Yeah, that may work. And the water will therefore come up, and we can therefore float on the water and reach there. Wow. Man, this game is so, like that. Tough. 1 second. Let me just be in a peaceful position. Halalala. 1 second. Pixelizer. Pixelizer is a strong option. Hey fellas. Man, I'm getting lots of points. Oh my god, that was intense. I got 35,000 points. Oh my god, moving platforms. Hey, wait, let me see a thing. Woo! Huh, reach there. That was easy.
Our heroes discovered the easy way out.
I'm lazy, that's why. Man, I could be rich now, I think. This much points?
Try as he might, Ratchet could not breathe underwater. I'm collecting these points. I get these once in a lifetime. 40,000 points. 40,000. But only 60 Retarium. That's a joke of it.
More amoeboids on approach.
Amoeboids. Ew. Hate these guys. Pixelizers do lots of damage to these guys.
We're all clear.
1 second. There are points over here.
O2 mask.
An O2 mask.
Now I can...
Ratchet, report in with your stats.
Wait, what is an O2
Clank and
mask
I are
going
on
to do?
Poketaru. We just stopped Drek from siphoning the planet's water supply.
Whoa.
Without me? I mean, that's fine. It's okay. It's time for us to assault Drek Industries and put an end to the Blarg's treachery.
Copy
Yeah.
that.
Copy that.
Huh? Let's check out that vendor.
Oh, wow. Plasma striker. Oh my god, I can buy like some... Oh, 42. Wait. 21 plus 21 equals to 42. So guys, that's all for Ratchet and Clank Part 9. See
pick
you
a
in
new
Part
planet.
10.